Now we are going to install the machine. First step, install the right side bar. Need 3 screws, 2 long screws, and 1 short screw. Firstly, install to this side. Then install the 2 bars. One have this part should be at the upside, and screw out the screw. And another bar, and also same screw, this one. Then install this sidebar and use 2 long screws with gasket. Then we're going to install this bar here. Before install this one, should install like this. Make sure the fume will go strictly to this one. So you need to make sure this at the correct position. Then first this one, get me this one through the big gasket. Then the spring. Then another black part. Go down and press it like this. So this cannot move easily. And tight to the black part. Will be like this. It is holded to the spring. Then we install the fume from the back to the front, like this. From the back to the front. Then another holder to cover the top. Then another black part in the bracket. So the film will not move easily. Then install the big screw. To lock it. Then install the sensor. If your film is colorful film, you need to install the sensor. Take out the screw. Then install the sensor here. Then this cable go back to the back side. There was a hole here to connect in this place and screw in to lock. Then we're going to install the data printer. First we will take out the cable from the printer back. And there was 2 screws with screw nuts. Then we are going to install the data printer. Firstly, take out the data printer like this. There was 2 long holes like this, and there should be this side. And there's 2 long holes. We'll install the screw through this and fix here. Use 2 long screws with screw nut and a gasket. And a gasket to this side, and a screw nut also this side. Then the data printer have been installed. Then we connect the cables. Before that, let me introduce the data printer. For the data printer, the mold is inside here. There was a part like this. You should press and rotate. Then you can take it out. And the mold is here. You can change the code. You can change the numbers by changing the mode. You can change it. Screw out the small screws, then put the mode and change it. There. Then put it back, press and rotate so it will not come out. And for the printer, you can move, loose the downside button screw. You can move it to move left and right, then lock it to choose the correct position. Then we're going to connect the cables. Two cables come from the printer bed. One is a power cable of the printing system box. This one to connect with the electricity. And the second label on this side to connect to the printer. This side, on the upside of the motor, there was a connected place. This is a printer, gives a signal to the this printer. The box gives the signal to the printer what time to print. One cable connects to the printer, another cable to connect the electricity. Then you can see there was two switch here. First one is a main switch to turn on the printing system. And second one is to turn on for the printing action, make it available. And this one to test, when you press, it will move one time. Press, it will move, press, move, press, move. For check, point moving. This is to set the temperature, to heat the mold when printing. And from the machine inside it, there was a touch switch. When the machine inside the heating bars close, the touch switch will be sensed and let the printer work to give signal. The machine gives signal to this box what time to print. Then this cable gives signal to the printer what time to print. So from the machine, the cable come out, then connect to this box. There are three cables here. The first one to give it a power cable. Second one is a box to give signal to the printer. The last one is a machine gives the signal to the box. The cable come out to here. This cable come out to here. This cable, power cable. And this cable is the main cable of the power of the machine. Power cable. And now then we take out the fueler. This is a power cable of the fueler. And before using the fueler, we should remove the three screws which mark the red color. This three screw is for protection during shipment, to protect the machine inside. So before using, we should move this three screw out. And the cable next here. This is also the power cable of this filler. Then the last cable from the machine to the filler. This side. And connect it to the filler here. And lock it. And before using, you should make sure the filler's outlet place match the forming tube place, so the material will go inside. Now we are going to install the film. Firstly, from this side to going down, we need to cut in a shape like this, so it can move from upside to downside easily. Firstly, go in this side, go through this bar. There was a small seam bar here. We should move inside and go the film going down, go to the back side like this, so it will move, but here is strict for the sensor working. So then going down and across sensor the first side, and then go inside and go out the button side, so the film can let the sensor sense easily like this. See again, go inside, cover the big one, and go to the back of the downside and going down. Then we're going to move to the printer, go back of this bar and cross and going down. Then cross here and going down. See? Let's go back from here. So this is printing area. Then go back down. So it's the same as this one. Cross. Like this. Same as the sensor. Then we can see here also the bar cross here, from here to here, and we're going down. Then we'll remove the older one, then this goes through, down, down, down. And down. After they cross all of them, then very important things is the two black well. Make sure this one is to control the two black well manually, to open and close, open and close. So make sure when the two black well close, they can hold the film. They hold it. And we'll turn on the machine. Make sure the temperature is hot enough. Temperature 1 is here, temperature 2 is here. Make sure it is hot enough, then we seal it manually by this button. This is the manually seal. Not hot enough, it cannot see. This is manual cool down. This is manual heat. So when the temperature is hot enough, it can seal. Now it's 91. So the film crosses like this. After the temperature reaches the temperature to need, we seal it. Then let's see from the top side to the downside of the film roll. Firstly, it comes from this, then cross this bar, go inside of the same bar, then go back of this bar, then cross here to here, so the sensor can sense the black dot of the colorful film. Now it's transparent film. Then going down up here. And if your model have a data printer, it just go the back of here and in front of here, then go back of here, then go in front of here, then going down. If your model don't have the data printer, just come out from here and going down directly, going down up to the back side of this bar, and going inside of here. Then we're going down. You should cut the film like this. So there was a triangle like this to go inside easily. And going down. Then very important is here, there is two black well. If you control this, it will open and close. So when you open and close this, then make sure the two black wells can hold the backside of the film. Then going down, and after temperature heat hot enough to seal, this need a preheat and wait until the temperature to reach the temperature you have set. Then you can press manually seal. This button is manually seal. Then pull down, manually seal. Manually pull down, manually seal. This is the film roll. After open all the case and installed, we should do damage inspection before using. We should look around the machine and check if there was any damages. If there was any damage or broken, please call us. Thank you. Now we're going to introduce the machine, how to use it. First, one is here is to control the filling machine. The minus or increase to set the how many gram you want to fill. Return to 0 is to change it back to 0. This is a filling speed, faster, middle, slow, depend on your material which need to pack. Start to start the machine working. Drop is to drop one time. Stop is to stop filling. Then this control panel, temperature 1 is this heating bar. Temperature 2 is this heating bar. When you want to set, press this one. It will flash. Then increase or decrease. Then press again to set the downside one. Increase or decrease this one. Then press is to confirm. Then the length to control. This is to set the length of the pouch you want. Now let's set it 170 and press discharge. So, I just want, huh? This is the length of this one. Then we choose another one, length, decrease. $120. Let's see. It becomes short. And short. So this is length. Now we stop. It's your length. Stop. Now we make it longer. And 107. Then now is the lens model. So the sensor is not working. Then let me introduce how to make it a sensor model. That's the sensor working, because sometimes the film is not transparent. It's colorful, and there was a black dot at this side. It will stop at black dot. Let's the sensor work. Now we press this function button and hold about 10 seconds. Then it becomes 003. We press until it becomes 010, item 10. Then we press increase, it becomes 001. 001 means sensor model. Then item 15, 001 means black dot. If your dot is the white dot, the film is black, then you need to choose 000. Now we're going to test the 001 black dot. After setting, you need to press this one to confirm. Now it's become a black dot model. Now let me draw a black dot. So the sensor will sense the black dot and stop it. Let's see. Let me draw more. It will sense the black dot in the cell. Black dot in the cell. Sense the black dot in the cell. So this lens is not dependent on the lens you set. It depends on the black dot. So this is a black dot model. Now we're going to then about the sensor. This side is to choose, depend on your film type. Usually choose this one type. Some special color film need to choose this one, green light. Usually red light is enough. This is to adjust the sensitivity, to rotate it. See, now I draw a black dot here. As you can see, I draw a black dot here. Adjust it until when it is without the black dot, it is light on. Have black dot, it's light off. Just like this is enough. After testing and set all the data, we need to install the cover by 4 screws. This.